Guess what time it is? Guess what day it is? Yes, now it's day 16 of the Bob and Dog Christmas Advent Calendar Opening Event 2018. And today, at the bottom of the tree, we're joined by a minion. The minions were first seen in the film Despicable Me in 2010, July 2010 actually. And if we come across, he actually moves, but his batteries are worn out, so he does talk, but his batteries are gone. Now, if we come across, we've got the Drunken Snowman and his Uncle Bill and Simon, but they've got them been naughty today because they've got poor Ronnie the reindeer really drunk. Yeah, that's naughty of them today. They've got him on the gin. Anyway, Bobby's waiting here for the joke. Now, he's told me that my jokes are getting worse, so he's asked me to ask Echo, Amazon Echo, for a joke today. So there you go. Echo, tell me a Christmas joke.
Did you hear about the Advent Calendar thief? They got 25 days.
Oh, they're worse than mine, Bob. Anyway, let's get on with the main event. Door 16. There you go. Where is it, Bob? Door 16. Hold on. Is he in the right place straight away? He is. He's got it open straight away. Look at that. What's inside, Bob? Look at that. It's only a real meaty treat. Absolutely fantastic. There you go, Bob. Let's get them out for you. Let's in the shape of stars today. Merry Christmas all. We'll see you tomorrow. We're getting ever closer now for day 17. Oh, they're naughty, aren't they? Getting Ronnie the reindeer drunk. Bobby, say bye. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Yeah, there you go. See you tomorrow. Merry Christmas.